everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide online on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the three vertical dots on top right corner. Tap on the settings option and go to privacy. Here you can see the last seen and online option. Tap on it. Here you can see two set of options and the lower option determines my online status. In my who can see my last seen, I'll choose the nobody option because I want nobody to see when I was last seen online. And in my who can see when I'm online option, I'll choose the same as last seen one because it will mirror who can see my last seen option. Now nobody can see when I'm online. And that is how you can hide online on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.